Veneguera Beach, Playa de Veneguera. There's a walkway that takes you a couple of hours from all the way up there, from Veneguera. But we took the road because there's actually a really beautiful road that comes down here. Only the last part is a dirt road. But it says that only people who are supposed to be here are allowed. But as you can see on the parking lot on the other side of this channel, there's a lot of people. There's a lot of campers. So let's check it out. Black Sand Beach. This looks like another libertarian secret spot. So far, I haven't seen any nudists on this beach, even though it's really hard to get to this beach. So either a walk of a couple of hours or taking the car down a road that you're not supposed to be taking because it's prohibited. But yeah, so far everybody is actually wearing textile. But it's a very beautiful beach. It's a black sand beach. And the sand is really soft. But I must say that the water feels a little bit colder on this side than the ones that are southeast from here. South and southeast. So yeah. Playa de la Veneguera. So either you come walking all the way from up there, or you take the road from Morgan just to find yourself on this black sand beach. Strange thing is that the easy access beaches like Playa de las Mujeres and the Montaña de Arena, 100% of the people are nude. And then we arrive here, which is a much harder to get to beach, and everybody's in textile. So, well, there's some topless women, but that's about it. Funny. But a beautiful beach and a beautiful natural valley. And the road, so far, even though you're not allowed to drive it, it's a beautiful road. It's well paved till the end. Well, not till almost the end. The last kilometer it's a dirt road. But it's also the most beautiful road I've driven so far, because they have planted all kinds of beautiful trees, palm trees, bougainville around it. So I'm not sure why they developed such a beautiful road that leads to pretty much nowhere. Oh, this beach. That will remain an enigma unless somebody can write down in the comments below this video what the deal is with Playa de la Veneguera. Playa de Veneguera, beautiful, especially now that it's a bit later in the day and the sun is setting. The sand is really nice and warm because it's black. I think in summertime it could be really hot, this sand, when the sun is really high up in the sky. But now, end of November, this is really a nice beach to be at because the sand just warms you up as well. And today there's hardly any wind, but I think on a day that there's more wind, it could be nice to be here on the black sand, which also feels very soft to the feet. All right, the next beach will be to the north, and it's called Playa de los Secos. I haven't found a way to get there yet. No hiking paths, no roads. So if we fail to get to Playa de los Secos, the one after is Playa de Ambar. at Tasarte. So let's see which one will be the next beach, and you will find out in the next video. Okay, one last look. Bye bye. Playa de Veneguera. As I was telling you, we didn't use the walkway to come down here from the town of Veneguera, but we took this beautiful paved road with only the end being a dirt road. But we find ourselves now at a closed gate. So for some reason we were lucky enough to get through because there's also a gate on the other side of this road at Mogan. So this is going to be interesting how to get out. But my word of advice is, when you visit this beach, safest is to take the pathway. And maybe I can tell you later what the deal is with this gate, because there are construction workers over there, and at one point they're gonna have to leave as well, because I doubt that they all live there. And there's also still some cars on the parking from the beach. So unless they're gonna stay there for the night, some of them are gonna have to leave as well. So it's gonna be interesting at what point there may be some construction workers leaving, and then a whole gang of cars is probably gonna come up and open the gate here. That is something that I'm gonna be able to tell you later. For now, we just have to stay put and hope for the best and see what happens. Okay, it looks like we found a way out. It's a very beautiful road, beautiful nature. I don't recommend driving this in the dark, so let's try to get out of here before the sun sets. It's 6 o'clock, just after 6, so here the road is quite good, but before it was really hard to negotiate at certain points. So yeah, it looks like the official way in and out of the Playa de Veneguera. What was the name again? Veneguera is to actually go up to the town of Veneguera and come down and go back up. But yeah, rent a 4-wheel drive. Looks like we're in Mexico. I think we're seeing the town of Veneguera. To the right we have, yeah, I think it's lemons or something like that. Lemon trees. We made it out alive. Veneguera. So next beach will be for tomorrow.